world.
Me parece que sí.
Laki. Kisses. Meron sila malaking Hershey. Hindi yan, may mas malaki pa dyan.
May mas malaki pa dito?
Oo. Hanapin natin.
Ano kaya kainin yun mo?
Hershey's Chocolate Tour. Ayun, Charlie Tour. Yung sasakay ka ng train. Yan yun, naliga. Sakay tayo dun.
Oh, tara, ang libre.
Tara, King. Ay, I'm sorry.
Alrighty, thank you. I can put the stroller down.
Yeah. Thank you. Hershey's baking chocolate and cocoa. Made in the world's largest chocolate factory, Hershey's Pena. Yay! Where's the boat? Where's the boat car? Sabi mo lang. At nakakahilo na. Be careful. Oh, see? Thank you. Saan ka? Diyan ka? Ang damot mo, mag-isa ka lang.
Your guide will meet you at the entrance. See you inside.
It's Derry. Hi, Derry.
Inspiration from the very start. You can taste the love. I need the factory, everybody!
Hi, my name is Alex. I'm the quality supervisor here at the Hershey Chocolate Factory. I was asked to be your guide today, and I can't wait to show you around. Everyone ready? Let's go. It all starts with cocoa beans, which are harvested and shipped to us from tropical regions around the world. We send the cocoa beans through large cleaning machines and screen and thoroughly remove unwanted products like pulp and bits of cacao pod. Our cocoa experts carefully select, sort, and combine beans from various countries in precise amounts to achieve that unique and consistent Hershey's flavor.
into unsweetened chocolate. Cocoa nibs have been ground down like this for thousands of years. Milling machines generate lots of heat through intense pressure and friction. The grinding turns cocoa nibs into the smooth, dark liquid used to make milk and dark chocolate.
Our pressing machines squeeze the unsweetened chocolate into discs of cocoa powder known as HERSHEY'S butter. Pressing also produces cocoa butter, which we use later on in the process. Every day, shopping tanker trucks pick up milk from local farms and line up outside our factory for delivery. Hershey is one of the only companies in the world that uses fresh milk to make milk chocolate. Fresh milk is part of what gives Hershey's milk chocolate its delicious and distinctive taste. Part of my job is to make sure all of that milk meets our high-quality standards. Once it passes testing, we mix sugar into the milk using large batching tanks. We pasteurize and condense the sweetened milk and then blend in the perfect amount of unsweetened chocolate. This is where the incredible chocolate all comes together. And the mixture milk yields the form of rich chocolate that we call chocolate crumbs. Wonderful smell. We feed the chocolate with steel rollers that grind and refine the chocolate until it reaches a smooth, uniform consistency. Here's our friend Kiz to explain the next step in the process.
These concha machines use big granite rollers to smooth and transform refined crumb into milk chocolate. The conching process mixes and heats the chocolate, developing a rich flavor and color. Heavy rollers smooth out the refined crumb until it reaches the silky liquid texture of milk chocolate. Bye for now.
After conching, we temper the milk chocolate, heating and cooling it to just the right texture and consistency. During tempering, we can mix in other ingredients such as roasted California almonds. Next, we pour the milk chocolate into molds and send them on a bumpy conveyor ride. Then we send the molds through cooling tunnels that solidify the chocolate. All of that fresh, delicious Hershey's chocolate goodness is finally ready to be packaged.
Like Hershey's milk chocolate in special dog bars.
Hey, don't forget about Reese's peanut butter cups, my personal favorite.
I love Reese's. In pieces.
Aw, thanks, Alex. That's so
Back.
sweet.
Hi. Nice, look at that. Kisses. Wow.
Our packages are ready to go, and I better get going too. It's been a privilege being your guide today. Remember that wherever you go, remember to Hershey's happiness. So be sure to share that goodness with the ones you love.
Saan?
Thank you, everyone. Bye.
Hindi mo nga alam kung nasan. Saan? Saan? Ito na ba? Hey. Smile up ahead for your picture.
Hi, folks. What's up, everyone? Right here for a picture. 3,
Okay, gang, time to go share some goodness.
Grabe yung ano nila, no? Yung pinapadala nila all over state. So ba? Share your memory. Hershey memory.
Well, now you know the hard work, pride, and joy that goes into making every piece of Hershey's goodness.
Come visit us again soon.
Please remain seated until the door opens and watch your step onto the moving platform. And enjoy the rest of your day here at Hershey's Chocolate World. So long, everyone.
Thanks for coming!
Bye-bye.
It's a moving platform. Thank you. Woo! Kaka-dizzy. Which one is moving? Hindi mo alam kung sino yung nagmo-move. Free treats, thanks. Hi, where can I pick up?
Whatever letter you got there, boss, it's going to be on the shelf over here.
Alright, thank you.
If it's not there, we might still be working on it.
I got it. Thank you. You too. B6. Look at that. 4x6 photo mag. Oh, wow. Look at that. Oh. Photo. Look at that. Hey, you guys.
Perfect. Perfect.